Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, what Daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier, stiffen up that upper lip. What you crying about?
What's up, everybody? Gamer51221 of my mom here in Las Vegas. That's one thing. Do not go to this hotel. It's horrible.
Yep, it is.
Have nothing. This place over here, not the people, but these places over here, oh my god, you know how annoying is it? You have to be 16 and older to go in the weight room and mostly everything. Yeah. There's play over there. So yeah, Mom. Today we're gonna be playing catch with my football. Can I show you my football? Can you get my football? And then we're playing skip ball. If you guys don't know what that is, then check out the game. Okay. So I got a cool football, Patriots, just because Patriots went to the Super Bowl this year. They're going to the Super Bowl versus the Falcons, and I like the Patriots. Just Tom Brady plays for Michigan, and I'm a Michigan fan. So yeah, it's like mostly a stuffed animal, but it's still we're the catch. So yeah, we're gonna play skip ball, and today we're going to the Grand Canyon. See you guys then or later. So we're back in the hotel right now, getting ready for the Hoover Dam, and my watch broke. Yeah. I paid about, let me think. Wait, it could still be working. Let's see. But I did pay about like $20 for this. 20 to 30, no, I was actually like $30 for this watch. Yeah, that's a waste. I had it for a year. I mean, yeah, it's fine, but I actually don't care because I needed a new one anyways. I hated the Velcro. The Velcro never stayed together. And I watched Chihuahuas. Which I was just on. So yeah, that was a great idea. So yeah, that was horrible. Using my watch just broke when me and my mom were playing football. Now we're back in the room. My sister and dad losing pounds for nationals. I mean, not for nationals, but for the U.S. Open. So yeah, it's broken, so can't really do anything about it right now. So yeah, that's fine. I don't care. So Mom, what's it to say for yourself? We're not there yet.
Not there yet.
See, it's beautiful outside.
It's beautiful outside.
And Bella.
Wait down. My socks don't match. My shoes look goofy with these jeans, but oh well. I'm in Vegas. Sorry.
Ow. Huh?
That was kind of rough.
Hey, Mom.
Funny, sorry, what?
You gotta say for yourself. Okay. That's too much information. Ow. Give me a kiss, Mom.
What?
Still love my mom. No. Don't do any of these games. There's too much of them. Can't look at it.
What are you, is this taping?
This is YouTube.
Oh, hello.
Ah! Do not scream like that.
Scream.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing.
Mom, what do you have to say?
Hi.
Okay, the mom always says hi. What do you have to say for yourself, Dad? Or the driver?
That means nothing. Like and subscribe, people. Do you even know anyone that subscribed to you?
Yes.
Who?
All my friends. I got 21,000 subscribers.
No, you only got 21.
Gabe, what's your channel name?
What I want to tell you.
221, right?
It's Gamer 512.
That's what I said.
But you have to type it like Gamer 512.
Is that spelled gamer?
Gamer.
G-A-M.
Oh, look at that plane. I can't see it. Right here.
I think it's that. Yeah. If I'm on any of that.
Let's see my. Okay, I can't really see it.
I don't want to make up. I don't want to take a bite.
Hello, Will.
This is not just. Well, just my sister. Anything.
Or is there's Matthew too, right?
Matthew. I'm talking about Matthew.
Don't you have a friend named Matthew?
I don't even know if he knows my channel.
Oh.
2 views.
My most popular video has like 200 something views.
Because I was in it.
No. Some of them you're in and then you don't get. I get like 0 views.
Understand.
That's because I just uploaded it.
If I started a YouTube channel, I wonder who would subscribe to me.
I wouldn't because you're not subscribed
The
to
Ice
me.
Bucket Challenge is your most popular.
I'm the 1 point. Yeah, I was in that.
What if the ice cream hit me right on the top of my head? Hoover Dam, here we come. Energized. Dun, dun, dun. Dang it. Oh, you're sleeping.
Look at guys. Awesome.
It's like the Roosevelt Dam.
Oh, I'll be scared. Go up there. Oh my
What?
God.
Do you remember Christina?
What? Who's Christina?
Christina Pilch?
No.
Yeah, it was her sister.
I can't get a good angle of it.
That's the name. That's the name. Let's try.
I can't see.
Okay, we're driving that water.
That's high. That's high. That's high. I'm getting away from that. Oh my God.
Come over this and try and...
No, that's not. Let's just say we did.
Okay. 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 Shoot. Get me away from this thing. You have to say for yourself. Oh my God. I just got
Up. Well, it might be true, but it's rude.
and I got it on camera.
Wait, climb up. Keep her behind us.
And guess what I got it on? Stop looking over there, Gabe. That's creepy. Ain't going from me. Oh my God.
What's that?
I don't
Does
like
that freak you out?
Yeah.
Tunnel that dug the water down.
Yeah.
That tunnel.
Sorry. I got your back. I stepped on the shoe. Again. Hey, I'm trying to walk. Get out. Oh my god. What?
Yeah.
Oh, I get there. Oh my god. Oh, it's so high up.
Pretty high up, huh?
Oh my god, I can't look.
Yeah, look.
The whole thing.
Take a selfie of it. Oh my god, it's so scary. Oh! Oh!
Yeah, here goes the ball.
I got that on camera too.
You have something to hide or something.
Hey mom, will you say goodbye?
What?
Say goodbye.
Bye. Hey, Gabriel, take one of me.
Wait. Come here,
Take one of me.
Come here.
Oh.
No.
Now that's funny.
Come here, Mom.
No, that's, yes, I would take one of you guys.
Hey, no, come here. Come here. No. Bye!
This one's for you and me, living out our dreams. We're all right where we should be, with my arms out wide.